Imagine transforming a dilapidated single-story home into a modern sanctuary that harmonizes with its heritage, all while tackling climate challenges and family needs. That's exactly what happened with Carlton Cottage, a project that's sparking conversations about how we balance tradition with innovation in residential design. But here's the twist. The architects didn't just focus on solving practical issues like water management and thermal efficiency. They wove adaptability and spatial storytelling into every corner of this 150 square meter home, proving that less material doesn't mean less impact. And this is the part most people miss. The true genius lies in how the design respects the historical context of the original cottage while embracing future-ready living. Located in Carlton, Australia, this 2024 project by Lovell Burton Architecture reimagines a tired dwelling into a vibrant space for a young family. The architects, Stephanie Burton and Joseph Lovell, partnered with client Oscar August and builder Cale Peters Construction to address light quality, water flow, and insulation, all while preserving the soul of the original structure. The result? A home that feels rooted in its past, yet built for tomorrow's needs. What makes this project controversial? The team prioritized spatial quality over material luxury. Instead of flashy finishes, they emphasized clever layouts and natural elements to create a sense of openness and connection to the environment. Some might argue this minimalist approach sacrifices comfort for aesthetics. Do you think minimalist design truly meets modern family needs, or does it risk overlooking practicalities? Explore more about this project on ArchDaily's platform, where you'll find detailed specs, photos, and insights into the design philosophy. The cottage's story is a testament to how architecture can evolve without erasing history, and it invites us to rethink what home means in a rapidly changing world. What's your take? Share your thoughts in the comments. Can sustainability and heritage coexist without compromise? Or is there always a trade-off?